We know AI is consistently evolving, consistently growing. New technologies are coming out every day. How does Tribe Digital stay ahead of the curve when it comes to AI?
Well, because we use AI in everything we do. We don't just use AI in grant writing. We use AI to create branded content. We use AI in our social media marketing. We use AI, to create courses for people, online courses. We use AI to do research and analysis for groups. We use AI in everything we do. So we're really sort of on the leading edge of any changes that occur within AI technology. And so for us, it's not just a one-off. This is what we do. This is what the company is focused on. And we're also focused on learning. We spend a lot of time learning about new technology and new products and new things that are coming out. And so you can rest assured that, we're on the leading edge of sort of anything that has to do with AI that would connect with the clients we're working with. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur, and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants, and let's see what we can do for you.